Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a problem on Instagram step by step. So if you're facing any issues with your account, app glitches, or features not working properly, make sure to watch this video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure the Instagram app is updated to the latest version, because some options may not appear on older versions. Once the update is done, go back and open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the 3 white lines in the top right corner. Here, scroll all the way down until you find Help, then simply tap on it. Next, tap on Report a Problem. From here, tap on Report a Problem without shaking. Now you can briefly explain your issue in the text box. If you want, you can also attach screenshots to better explain the problem, which can help Instagram understand your issue more clearly. Once everything is done, just submit your report. That's it! This is how you can easily report any problem on Instagram.